for the following counties in New Jersey: Camden, Gloucester, Mercer.
Why do you
Northwestern
never go
Burlington,
off?
And the following counties in Pennsylvania.
Why do you
Delaware,
never
Lower
go
Bucks,
off?
And Philadelphia. What? 2 to 3 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? In New Jersey, Mercer, Gloucester, Camden, and northwestern Burlington. In Pennsylvania, Delaware, Philadelphia, and Lower Bucks. When? Until 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts. At this level, flooding may become severe enough to cause some structural damage along with widespread flooding near tidal waterways. Some locations may become isolated by the flood waters. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs along tidal waterways. Some roads become impassable. Minor damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Additional details: widespread moderate to locally major coastal flooding impacts are expected with the afternoon high tide cycle. Some flooding may linger well into this evening near tidal waterways and tributaries due to fresh water runoff. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required,
Bro, I can't
do
even
not drive
turn
around
on.
barricades or through water of unknown depth.
Now let's listen to the weather broadcast.
The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following counties: Newcastle, Delaware.
It's literally sunny outside.
Where? In Delaware. Newcastle. In New Jersey, Salem. When? Until 3 p.m. this afternoon. Impacts: numerous roads may be closed. Low-lying property, including homes, businesses, and some critical infrastructure, will be inundated. Some shoreline erosion will occur. Additional details: widespread minor to locally moderate coastal flooding impacts are expected with the current high tide cycle. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. Here is the area weather summary. Strong low pressure.